Hello friends, welcome to one more result series video. India Bull Housing Finance is expected to come out with results quarterly earnings today, and the stock structure is little bit bearish on a shorter term. But we have to see on a three different time frame, and I will show you how different time frames can actually change the behavior of stock. At what time frame it could be bullish and another time frame it could be bearish. Please watch the video till end, friends, if you want to learn more about price action and how a stock is going to behave during and after the result timing. If you have not seen my earlier videos of result series, please go to the channel and watch. You will have excellent learning on price action, how to take out levels based on price action. तो फ्रेंड्स मंथली चार्ट पे चलते हैं। सबसे पहले मंथली चार्ट पे देखेंगे यहाँ पे क्या बन रहा है। देखिए ये एक पूरा ये रेंज कैंडल है। दिस इज अ रेंज कैंडल। This candle I call it a range candle. Why range candle? Because it is a big candle which is keeping the price in the range. So 350 is the top. So if you are going to hold and buy for long term, let's say 2 year, 4 year, 5 year, you do not buy until unless it crosses 350 on a weekly closing basis. Until unless it closes above 350 on a weekly closing basis, do not buy for long term, which is like 2 year, 3 years time span. I know that a lot of foreign investors and big investor they are trying to invest in this particular stock और ऐसा लग रहा है कि इसके अंदर काफी लोगों का इंटरेस्ट आ रहा है, बट अभी बॉटम बना नहीं है मंथली चार्ट पे स्पेशली। तो आप अभी होल्ड करके रखिए। अभी वेयर इज द सपोर्ट ऑन मंथली चार्ट? लेट अस सी द सपोर्ट एंड रेसिस्टेंस. So this was the resistance on a monthly chart. This was the resistance approximately 230 area, 230, 222, 228, or between 220 to 230 area was a resistance, and the market was not able to go up. So once it crossed below this, closed below this, next month it came up, and for 3 4 months it remained above this level. But this big candle in the February to 2020 fall, it broke below, and the market since then is trying to come out of this level and come up of this level. तब से लेके आज तक देखिए कितने महीनों तक इसने कोशिश की। अभी ये इसके ऊपर तो आ चुका है ब्रेक करके। ये ब्रेकआउट दिया इसने, देखिए यहाँ पे ब्रेकआउट दिया है ये वाली कैंडल ने। ये फॉलो थ्रू भी हुआ। अभी ये रीटेस्टिंग का टाइम है शायद। अब ये शायद रीटेस्ट करने को आ सकता है। सो द सपोर्ट एरिया इज नाउ इन आईबुल। सपोर्ट एरिया इज 220 to 230, between 220 to 230 on a monthly time frame. On a monthly time frame. So and if you go to if you go on buying for different levels, for example, if you are investing for, let's say, 10 years, then you do not bother about it. Just keep a stop loss of bottom of this candle, not this. Actually this is pretty big. This is the candle 124 stop loss you can keep, and if you are buying today, you can buy around 220 area and hold for 5 years. It is going to give you good returns. So 220 level will be but once it breaks, if any candle which is not showing a rise at 220 level, a good candle, not like this doji candle, but a good green candle with a small wick and larger bottom wick, if it is closing above this level in a weekly monthly chart, then you buy for uh, longer target with a target of one stop loss of 124. Now this is our weekly monthly levels, friends. Now what is there on the weekly chart? Let us see and check for the price action that is being formed on the weekly chart. So weekly chart, if you see guys, this is same thing happening almost. It tried to cross this level but could not, then it broke, but with a very rejection, not good candle, it had to come inside. It came inside, then it took a resistance multiple times here and here. Now it broke and it followed through, and now it is coming for retesting. On a weekly chart, friends, हमारा जो सपोर्ट आ रहा है वीकली चार्ट पे, जो सपोर्ट है वीकली चार्ट पे, सपोर्ट है करीब करीब 250 का लेवल। 250 से 245 का लेवल जो है वीकली चार्ट पे सपोर्ट है अपना। तो वीकली सपोर्ट इज बिटवीन 215 and 245, and because it has given a breakout and follow through. Now if retest is successful, it will go up. We have to see one when it comes for retesting, and how is the retest going to be successful or a failure. Also I will show you one interesting thing, friend. Here if you see here, this is a typical negative candle. This is a bearish candle. This is a very bearish candle with a big wick and a small down wick, and followed by breaking of the low by the next wick candle. So this is a bearish structure. Again it made a lower low by this candle on this running week. This candle made another low and made a lower high. So this candle is a lower high and lower low. That means against bearishness is coming in. So we have to look for this level, friend. As I told you, 240 to 250 level. यहाँ पे अगर आपको कहीं पे सपोर्ट पे ये किसी भी वीक में अच्छी कैंडल बनाता दिखता है इस लेवल के आसपास, तो ये सपोर्ट टर्न रेसिस्टेंस एरिया बेसिकली जो था अभी अब वो सपोर्ट में हो चुका है। तो अगर इस लेवल के आसपास आपको कहीं पे भी आता हुआ यहाँ पे मिलता है ये, तो उसके बाद आपको ये 300 प्लस का टारगेट आराम से देता जाएगा। सो यू विल हैव अ टारगेट ऑफ 300 प्लस until once it shows a support around 240 to 250 region on a weekly chart. Once you see a good weekly candle, so let us see also on a daily chart, friend, what is happening on a daily chart. In price action, you have to see what is going on the current side. If you go back and look for the very past data, it will not help much because the sentiments are mostly driven by the current price structure which is there. So on a daily chart, friend, this is a support. This is clear cut, very clean support. See, multiple time it did a price arching, made a double top like structure, again did a price arching, made again double top. So twice it did a price arching. So this is a twice it tried to break this level. इसने इसको दो बार तोड़ने की कोशिश किया प्राइस आर्चिंग से, फ्रेंड्स, डबल टॉप बना के ऊपर से रेसिस्टेंस लेके, बट फिर भी नहीं तोड़ पाया। तो ये जो 260 का लेवल जो डेली चार्ट पे है, on a daily chart 260 level is very important, it appears. So we have to see on a daily chart how does it respect 260 लेवल, इसको रिस्पेक्ट देता है या कि नहीं देता। हो सकता है कोई एक आपको डेली कैंडल मिले जिसमें आपको बड़ा विक हो जो इसको पियर्स करे नीचे और लो बनाए 250 का, इट कैंडल कैन मेक 250 लो एंड देन फ्रॉम देयर नेक्स्ट वीक यू सी प्राइस इज गोइंग अप. So now on a daily chart 260 to 58 is a support area, friend. This is a support on a daily chart, and resistance now we will have on a daily chart approximately at this zone, because price in it's been in this range, it tried to break multiple times and failed, and this also it tried to take support, try to make a new high, but this high could not be taken out, so it now coming inside and it might take a support here and go for 300 plus. So it iBull is, friends, very sort of, I would say, range bound, and it is not a pretty attractive stock to invest. At least you need to wait for 5-7 days, I think. Then you will get a good levels और आपको अच्छे levels मिलेंगे, आप अच्छा इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं उस समय। अभी इसमें क्या लग रहा है कि स्ट्रक्चर थोड़ा बेरिश है, हल्का बेरिश है, और ऊपर ये रेसिस्टेंस क्रिएट करता जा रहा है, मल्टीपल रेसिस्टेंस इसने बनाए हैं, लोअर लोज बना रहा है और लोअर हाइज बना रहा है। तो ये जो स्ट्रक्चर है इसकी काफ़ी वीक है। एक बार ये 300 के आसपास आता है तो हम देख सकते हैं, अगर 260 पे यहाँ पे 255 पे सपोर्ट लेके शायद 300 तक जाए तो फिर यहाँ पे हम देखेंगे कि आगे क्या करना है, वेदर टू गो अप और गो फर्दर डाउन विच विल ब्रेक दिस लेवल। बट एज ऑफ नाउ दिस इज द रेंज, फ्रेंड्स, सो दिस इज द रेंज। So 300 to 240 is the range for next few days. Next few days, not few days actually, a month or so. It appears that in 2 to 4 weeks, this is going to move in this particular range. And overall, shorter term time frame, it is pretty much slightly bearish, friend. It's not very bullish now. It's slightly bearish. So guys, I think I explained much of the details, and if you like the video, please share with your friends who are holding iBull share so that they can get benefited from it and they know how to take this trade and how to put your stop loss, all these things. So I've discussed support and major vital support resistance areas, so based on that you can trade as per your capacity, and I'll be coming again with more interesting video of stock with price specific price action levels in the very next result series video. Till then, friends, have a good day. Thanks a lot for watching this video and giving your valuable time. I will see you in the very next video. Till then, have a good day, friends. Bye bye.